Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today we're going to do a quick video because I have a new indie brand to me, MBA Cosmetics, in my stash, and this is their Wandering Soul palette. Now this palette was dropped last fall. I'm not too sure if it's still in stock, but I want to say it retailed for around $60. This just came across my feed over on Instagram, and look at how beautiful this color story is. This is definitely giving me springtime vibes, but it's also giving me summer going into fall vibes. I just think it looks like a really pretty color story. I am anxious to get started with this. I will be creating one look since this is an initial first impression video, but we'll see how the palette performs, and I will definitely give you guys a 10-hour wear test. So let's get started with the look. Now I've already primed my eyelids with the Beauty Bay eyeshadow primer, and I'm wearing red to work today, so I think there's quite a few shades in here that can complement my red outfit, and I think I want to start up here with this shade. The shade is called Old Soul, and then I anticipate I'll go in to the shade next to it. This one is called Traveler, and then we can play. I think this shade looks beautiful. Wild Heart. Yeah, the shimmers. Swatching this palette was very easy, very nice, but let's start with these two matte shades and then let's see where we end up. I might end up using this shade as a brow bone highlight as well. And I'm taking the shade Old Soul on a Rephr 15. I'm going to apply this above the crease in that transition area to give, ooh, got a little bit of crease there from the shadow primer, but just to kind of give this a good base. And then we'll see where the palette takes us. Let me know if you guys have tried out MBA Cosmetics before. I've followed them for a while, but I guess, you know, with the algorithm on Instagram, I didn't really get a lot of their content coming across my feed. But the other day I did. So this palette came in, I would say probably about 2 weeks ago. I ordered it, and I thought the color story was just so pretty, and I wanted to give them a shot here on my channel. Let's just see, you know, how it performs. I'm always down to try a new indie brand, so that's always good. And according to their Instagram, they're an indie brand based out of Ohio. Okay, so I think that looks like a beautiful shade, a nice base for us to go in with some other mattes, of course. Now I'm going to go ahead and take Traveler right here, work that in the crease and also in the outer corner. I'm taking this shade on a Rephr 14, and as you can see, I am starting out here in the outer corner and then working directly into the crease. I will say that these matte shades are blending so well, effortlessly. Okay, I think that looks really good. I want to lay down some shimmer primer, so I'm probably going to reach for my Gourmand Girls one. Just going to apply that on the lid, and then we'll get started playing with these beautiful shimmers. Okay, so I think I'm going to go in with the shade Wild Heart, and then maybe I can pop it with Free Spirit or the shade down here. This one is called Intuition. Let's see how that's going to look. And I'm using a Morphe M124, my trusted Morphe M124, to start applying this shadow. Now this is definitely going to be a shifty shadow. It looks so different in the pan, but I know that once I get it out into the sunlight, you're really going to be able to see the shifts in it. And just a reminder, this is the shade I'm going in with. So when I lay it down, it looks brown. And then as I'm putting it on, it kind of looks pink. So I'm trying to apply it with my finger because I really want to get all of the dimension that this shade has. And it feels so creamy, just like you want a shimmer to feel. And I believe there are duo and multi-chromes in this palette. But again, at the moment that I'm filming this, this palette is unfortunately not in stock, but hopefully they will bring it back. And if I like the way this is performed, and this will not be the last you see of MBA Cosmetics in my stash. I can promise you that. Now I'm just going to go in with that dark matte brown, and I'm just going to use it to touch up the crease and the outer corner. Now for the lower lash line, we have pink here, we have the brown, and I want to keep in mind that I am wearing red to work today. But you know that blue would look really nice, be a nice contrast. And I think I'm going to go in with the blue. The blue is called Visionary, and I'm going to take Visionary on a Rephr 26. And this will be definitely our pop of color. I like that so much. Again, blue and brown, like rusty tones. I think they look beautiful together. Now with that same Rephr 26, I'm just picking up a little bit of the leftover shimmer primer and applying right here to the inner corner. That way we can play with another shimmer. And I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Happy Soul. Oh yeah, that's a good inner corner highlight. Okay, wow, that looks so cool. I was gonna add the shade Kind Soul, and I know it looks kind of off-white in the monitor, but it's really a light peach shade. So I don't think I'm gonna do it on the brow bone. I think I'm gonna leave the look as it is right now. I'm just gonna go off camera and add those finishing touches, and then I'll show you guys the completed look with the Wandering Soul palette from MBA Cosmetics. All right, guys, so here is the completed look with Wandering Soul from MBA Cosmetics. The helping products I went in with was a brown liquid liner from NYX on the top lash line. Still loving this Makeup Revolution or Revolution Beauty eyeliner. This one is in the shade, is it teal or turquoise? It is one or the other. I'll have it listed in the description box, but it's the only one this color that they have on the Ulta Beauty website. Still trying out the L'Oreal Panorama Voluminous All Night Black Mascara. Seems to be liking that one. And that's it. Notice I didn't get any fallout, so that Gourmand Girls shimmer primer really does help things along. I love the way this turned out. I love this color combination. It's so much fun. Reminds me of days at the beach and just summertime, and that is definitely around the corner. So I'm going to give this a good 10-hour wear test. I'll be back at the end of the day to share with you my final thoughts on this beautiful palette. Love that cover art on there. Wandering Soul, again, from MBA Cosmetics. And I'll let you know what the final verdict is a little bit later. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so here's the 10-hour mark with this Wandering Soul palette from MBA Cosmetics. Unfortunately, I did have some creasing and some rub off there, as you can see. Now, that could be because of the shimmer primer. I did use the Gourmand Girls one, and sometimes that particular primer, I've noticed, like with Bella Beauty Bar and Adept Cosmetics, it doesn't always work that well with those formulas, so this could be the same type of formula as those brands. I'm not too sure, so I'll have to keep trying this palette. But other than that, like, the eye look is still intact. The shades are still vibrant. I didn't get any fallout throughout the day, and I still think it looks nice. I think the color story of the Wandering Soul palette is really pretty, and I think MBA Cosmetics has a really good formula. This is a new to me indie makeup brand. They're a US-based indie brand out of Ohio. And, you know, despite the little creasing that occurred on my eyelids there, I still had a good experience with it. So I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. I look forward to using it again. Hopefully I'll be able to do it in a, or use it in an upcoming Get Ready With Me or a palette revisit video. That way I can give it a second shot and try it with a different eyeshadow primer. But let me know if you've tried this brand before. What are your thoughts on it? I wish this palette was still in stock. Hopefully it comes back in stock, not entirely sure, but check them out. I think it's a brand, worth looking into, especially if you love indie brands the way I do. This might be something you want to add to your collection. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.